Pairing mode allows your AirPods Pro 3 to connect to devices. It's indicated by a flashing white light on the charging case. This signifies the AirPods are discoverable via Bluetooth. The AirPods Pro 3, launched in late 2024, maintain a user-friendly pairing process. You'll typically see this flashing white light when you first open the case near an iPhone. A steady white light indicates charging, not pairing. If your AirPods aren't connecting, ensuring they're in pairing mode is the first step to troubleshooting. To manually activate pairing mode on your AirPods Pro 3, first ensure they are charged and inside the case. Then open the case. If an automatic connect prompt doesn't appear on your Apple device, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for 1-2 seconds. The light should begin flashing white, indicating the AirPods are in pairing mode and discoverable. On non-Apple devices, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and select AirPods Pro from the available devices. If you still face issues, try resetting the AirPods by holding the setup button for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. Keep your device updated to the latest version for best compatibility.